Welcome to Tech Solutions, where every tutorial stays simple, clear, and straight to the point. Today's guide is all about enabling a full localhost server on Windows 11 without using Python or any third-party tools. Windows already includes a complete web server, and once it's turned on, the system can run local websites instantly. Start by opening the Start menu and searching for the option that lets Windows features be turned on or off. When the Features window appears, scroll down until Internet Information Services shows up. Expand it, enable it, and include the essential management and web service components so Windows can serve websites properly. Apply the changes and let the system install everything in the background. Once the installation completes, open your browser and enter the localhost address. If the built-in server is active, a default page will appear confirming it's running. After that, open File Explorer and navigate to the main web content location used by IIS. Clear the default files, create a simple HTML page, save it, and refresh the browser. The new page loads instantly because the server reads directly from those files. Any edits you make, update the page as soon as it's refreshed with no restarts required. The server runs quietly in the background. If the server ever needs to be stopped or restarted, open the Services Manager, find the Web Publishing Service, and choose the Stop or Restart option. And that's all it takes to activate a complete localhost server on Windows 11 without installing anything extra. It's clean, efficient, and perfect for testing HTML, CSS, and basic web layouts right from your PC. Thanks for watching this guide. If it helped, stick around for more practical tech tutorials here on Tech Solutions. See you in the next one.